Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be working through the problem 7r minus 5 is greater than 9. We will not only find the solution to this inequality, but also represent it in both inequality and interval notation forms. So grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the inequality 7r minus 5 greater than 9, we first need to isolate the variable r on one side of the inequality. To do this, we will start by eliminating the minus 5 term on the left side. We can accomplish this by adding 5 to both sides of the inequality. So, starting with the original inequality, 7r minus 5 greater than 9. When we add 5 to the left side, the minus 5 and plus 5 will cancel each other out, leaving just 7r on the left side. Adding 5 to the right side gives us 9 plus 5. As a result, the expression changes to 7r greater than 14. We added 5 to both sides to keep the inequality balanced, which is a crucial step in solving inequalities. Maintaining balance means whatever operation we do on one side, we must do the same on the other side. At this stage, our inequality is now 7r greater than 14. In this step, 7r greater than 14, we are preparing to isolate the variable r, which we will do in the subsequent steps. The next step will involve dividing both sides by the coefficient of r, which is 7, to solve for r. In step 2, we take the inequality 7r greater than 14, and we need to isolate the variable r by getting rid of the number 7 that is multiplying it. To accomplish this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by 7. When we divide the left side 7r by 7, the 7's cancel each other out, leaving us with just r. When we divide the right side 14 by 7, we get 14 divided by 7, which simplifies to 2. So after dividing both sides by 7, the inequality becomes r greater than 2. By dividing both sides of the inequality by the same number, in this case 7, we ensure that the inequality remains balanced. This step is essential because it allows us to solve for r directly. Since we have isolated r and simplified the inequality, this is the final step. The solution to the inequality in inequality notation is r greater than 2. To express this in interval notation, we write an open parenthesis followed by 2, then a comma, and then an infinity symbol, because r can be any number greater than 2 but not including 2. So the interval notation is open parenthesis 2, comma, infinity, close parenthesis. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.